Hi, my name's Dan, and I'm here with Expert Village today to show you how to tie the sheep shank. The sheep shank is an interesting knot because it can be tied in the middle of a rope, and you don't need either ends. In order to tie it, you make a loop with the tail end on top, a loop with the tail end on the bottom, and another loop with the tail end on the bottom. You stack all three of them, then you pull the middle loop through the two outside loops. When you get to the desired length, you let go and pull the two ends of the rope. Now you may ask yourself, what would you use this knot for? It has a variety of uses. If you want two loops, you can hang two things, or for climbing, you can clip two carabiners onto it for a climbing anchor. Also, if there's damage in the middle of your rope and you don't want to cut it just yet, it's a good way to take up the line, keep the knot, or keep the damaged area of the rope away from bearing a load until you can have a chance to cut and splice your rope. Also, if you just have too much rope, it's a good way to take up a bunch of line. So one more time, make a loop, an opposing loop, another loop going the same way. Stack them all on top of each other and pull the middle one up and down. We'll do it one more time. One loop, second opposing loop, another loop, stack them, pull the middle, and there is the sheep shank.